Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to create this very beautiful quilled handmade Diwali card. So I will show you how to create this beautiful rangoli, these cute quilled lanterns, and also I have cut the border using border punch. This is the inside look of the card to write some extra messages. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. For this we need some multicolored 3mm quilling strips, scissor, liquid glue, golden color ball chain, quilling tool, orange color thick sheet and some pattern papers. First I am taking this pattern paper piece which measures 18 by 13 centimeter. Now I am just taking my border punch. This is from Martha Stewart. And you can get it very easily online. So just punch the border. I'm cutting the excess paper. Like this. So the base is ready. Now I am taking one strip of red color and making one tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeter. Just secure the end. So tight coil is ready. Now take back your card and I am adding this tight coil on the center part of the left side like this. Now I am taking green color strip, just fold this in half and again fold it in half, so you will get a 1/4 strip. So I am making one more tight coil using this 1/4 strip. Like this. Now I will connect these green color tight coils around red tight coil. So repeat this process for this row. So this is done. Now I am adding one yellow color strip around this for 3 to 4 times. Now I am taking 1/4 strip of dark blue color and making one teardrop shape like this, and also I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color and making one tight coil. Like this. So I will connect these teardrops and tight coils around this. this is done. Now again I am wrapping green color strip around this. Now for the next row, I am taking half strip of red color and making half circle using this. Like this. And now I will connect these half circles around the semicircle. Now I am taking 1/6 strip of green color and making one tight coil. And now I am connecting these green color tight coils between each half circle. Now again I am wrapping yellow color strip around this. So this is also done. Now I am taking half strip of green color and making teardrop shape again. Now I will connect these green color teardrops around this. So this is done. I have added one triangle to fill this gap, and now I am wrapping this using yellow color strip like this. Now for the last row, I will show you how to create this petal. So I am taking half strip of dark blue color and making one semicircle. Like this. In the same way I have created one more semicircle, and also I have created one yellow color leaf shape using half strip of yellow color. So I will join all three petals with each other. And now I will wrap this whole petal using half strip of red color. Like this. Now I will connect all these petals around the pattern. like this. Now to fill inside gap, I am taking some red color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strip of red. So I will fill this small gap using red color tight coils. So this is done. Let it dry. Now I will show you how to create this cute quilling lantern. For this I am taking one strip of light purple color and making one diamond shape. So first create a loose coil, add glue in the end and just make a leaf shape like this. Now rotate it and again make a leaf shape. So you will get a diamond shape. In the same way I have created one more diamond. So I am taking one purple color paper and connecting this diamond on top of this, so that in the base you will see the purple color. Now I am making one triangle. For this I am taking one strip of light green color and make a triangle shape like this. In the same way I have created one more triangle. Now I am cutting excess paper around this diamond shape. And now I am connecting all the parts with each other to construct the lantern shape. Like this. Now I am adding some ball chains in cross to decorate it. Like this. Now I am taking one piece of green color paper and just cutting it in some thin strips. Like this. So just connect this hanging with the lantern from back side. So the cute lantern is ready. Now I am taking the base card using orange color thick sheet which measures 14 by 17 centimeter. So I will connect on top of this. So I am just folding little bit from top, approx on 1.5 centimeter. Just add little glue on this folded part and connect with the base. Now I am decorating the inner part using some pattern paper. Now I am decorating the front part by adding some ball chain for the hanging of lantern. Now I'm adding the lanterns. After that, I'm adding this handwritten Happy Diwali sentiment. For this, I'm using double-sided foam tape to give it little dimension, like this. Now, I'm adding this punched border inside the card on this off-white strip. This border is made using the same punch which we have used earlier. So the card is ready. Isn't it looking very beautiful and attractive? So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.